Oh my goodness. And the tradition started last year when little M received a catnip banana from archaeologyMikey. He's got him another one this year for Christmas. Look at him go. Heck, he was eating the plastic it came in a minute ago. See, he made a mess. Oh, look. Mr. M got him a nanner. And the crowd goes wild. Yeah. He likes them nanners. I think that's his favorite toy. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get my chair situated here, folks. There we go. Look at him go. Oh, he likes them catnip nanners. He's going wild with his rug and his nanner. Oh, look. Yeah, that was one of the items I had listed. I don't usually make a Christmas wish list, but I did this year because I've been trying to get rid of a lot of things, and I only wanted stuff we really could use to come into the house. And Mr. M, he said he could certainly use another catnip mouse. I mean, another catnip banana. He loves these things. He will play with this thing for probably an hour until he has just wore himself out. Look at him go. Oh, from the moment archaeologyMikey 007 sent the first one of these over here, this has been M3's favorite toy. He just absolutely goes bananas over his bananas. Oh, look at him. And the crowd goes wild. I just had to share this with y'all because it just makes me smile. And as sick as I have been over this past year, to see my little kitty man having so much fun, I have tears rolling down my cheeks. I'm laughing so hard at this little dude. He is just going to town on this banana. Oh, he's a sweet boy most of the time. Sometimes he's an ornery little stinker. But anyway, we're just watching the banana boy. Oh, look how cute he is. Yeah. Oh, him is a handsome kitty man. Yet he is. Oh my goodness. I let him have his toy before Christmas because I knew there was nowhere I could put it in this apartment that he was not going to find it and smell it and tear something up trying to get to it. So we just going to let him go to town. You lost your rug, buddy. He says, don't care about no darn rug. Oh, ruh-roh. Says, I don't really care about that either. It's just an empty tube. But boy, this banana, this something else right here. I'll take these all day long. He says, I'm going to start a GoFundMe to finance M3's bananas. That's right. Send more nanners. Is there somebody out there, Emmett? Huh? Is there somebody out there? Are they? I don't think there is. Get them nanners. Get them. Get them. So that's what's going to be happening here for the next couple of hours till he just wears himself out. my goodness. He just is having so much fun. Alright guys, that's it. The second annual M3 Christmas Banana Fest. Thank y'all for watching. I'll let you know if when he stops playing with it. Bye.